In this section of the Benson CCA 200 Mini training, we'll be covering the systems setup. First, starting out with the mounting bracket. We will mount the BAS 200 bioacoustic simulator by inserting them into the slots and by pushing down and locking it into the bracket, like so. Once locked into the bracket, we should technically also have the black mounting plate on the bottom here. And what locks into this mounting plate is the CCA 200 Mini module, which should slide into place. And once you slide it into place, they should sit on top of each other like so. From there, we will install our interconnect cable into the response port here. And that will get placed into the audiometer slot, just on top, just like that. From there, we will next connect the headphones. And the headphones can sit actually on top of the BAS 200 plastic rims, like so, on either side. And these are marked red and blue, blue signaling the left, red for the right, and it should sit essentially inside the plastic rim. So if it's sitting sort of over top like this, just on the outer rim, that's incorrect. It should be sitting inside, like so, the plastic rim. The cables to plug in the headphones are clearly marked, red for right, and blue for left. Lastly, we have the patient response button, which you just plug in over top. And there we have everything plugged in to the front of the audiometer. On the other side, marked computer, we will plug in the serial cable and the USB to serial connector. Here we have that component, the serial cable, the USB to serial connector. We push those two together, and then we can hand tighten this connection with the two screws side. And on the main module here, we can now plug in the computer connection. There we have it. Lastly, we have the power. So we have the power cord and the power block. The power cord will plug into the power supply. And we also have to notice that we have a on and off switch there for the power. From there, we plug in the power cord and power block into the USB to serial cable on the side. Once plugged in, you can also plug in the USB and the audio cable into your laptop or desktop computer. And that concludes the system setup.